Hello Python programmers. So this is the video third of a Python micro project series for the beginners. In this video we're gonna create a Python program which will create the Fibonacci series for you. So let me write the Fibonacci formula so that it's easy for you to understand that how the mechanism works. So this is what the formula is. The Fn is that is the output or the Fibonacci output of that number. Let's say that I want to get the Fibonacci number of 9, so the n is 9 and Fn is the output. This will be the Fibonacci output of 8 plus Fibonacci output of 10. So this is how it works, and it will be more clear when we see the programming of this concept. So let's do that. So I will comment this out so that it's not executed in a program. First of all, we'll create the first two variables, because in Fibonacci series the first two elements remains constant. Now we'll take the input from the user. Let's say x is equal to integer input, because we want that the user enters a valid integer number. Enter the number, and then first we'll check that whether the number is greater than 0 or not. If it is less than 0, then we'll print invalid number. It should be x here, and if x is equal to 0, then we'll be printing out b. So we'll make b is equal to a, or b value becomes 0. Then let's write the operation for the rest of the number, or let's create the actual Fibonacci series. So we'll use the for loop here. For I in range from 2 to n plus 1. So let me explain you this here. From there you can see the formula that it goes from before that number to plus 2. This was plus 2 here to plus 2 of that number. So this is the command to create a for loop which will run from 2 to the plus 1 digit of that number. Let's say that I have entered 9, so this loop will run from 2 to 10. Okay, so first of all we'll do is c is equal to a plus b, and then a is equal to b, and b is equal to c. Okay, sorry, b is equal to c, and then lastly we'll simply print b here as our output. Now let's do some mischief here, and we'll write here the output Fibonacci. I guess this is the spelling. I'm really bad at spellings. This is the Fibonacci number, and let's save this and run our Python script here. Now this was the calculator one, sorry. Let me open the folder and run this Python file. Shift plus mouse right click, python1.py, and let's enter the number 9, and we having an error, n is not defined. So let's see what is that error, and This should be x here. Let's run this again. Let's enter the number 9 and the output is 34. So this is how the program to create the Fibonacci number in Python works, and this is it for this video. And this video was a concept building video for those who are new to Python and don't know how the input work, how the output works, how the condition works, and how the for loop works. So we'll be creating some more projects on such basic concepts. So if you are new to Python, you will learn step by step. Even if you are not able to understand fully in starting videos, stay connected because we'll be creating many videos in this series, and at the end I'm pretty sure you will understand all the concepts. So meet you in the next lecture. Bye bye.